What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Today we're hanging out in the cul-de-sac and we're talking transits. Now we have our WeldTec Designs decked out transit and maybe you're not quite ready for that. However, you want to completely change the look of your transit and we're gonna do it in stages possibly. You could do a coil spacer kit on the front of your transit. It's going to be the least expensive way to lift your transit. It's going to get you 2 inches of height. So if you want to run a larger tire, you have the ability to do that. Now the only downfall is the factory transit does not have camber or caster adjustment in it. But don't worry, we fixed that with the WeldTec Designs Gen 2 and more specifically the new Gen 3 arm, which is going to have fully adjustable caster and camber on the arm. So no problem, we're not going to be wearing tires, and that's the big thing because you spent a bunch of money on those tires and we don't want those wearing out. There's a ton of benefits in that Gen 3 arm, and if you want to know more, click the link down below, and otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next transit video.